So this is the important step of Canis method. This is step 3. So in this, as shown in the beam A, B, C, D, in the same manner we have to draw a single line like this, and at joint B and joint C we have to draw a rectangle inscribed in another rectangle, and a rectangle and another rectangle here. So minus 10, 10 are the fixed end moments which are found in step 1, and 50 minus 58.33 and 71.67, these values are from fixed end moments, and minus 20 and 20 are also the fixed end moments of span CD. So I have written A, B, C and D here. So here we have to write the rotation factors of AB. So the rotation factors of AB are found in previous step, and the value of AB is minus 0.214. So I can write it as minus 0.214 here, and for BA it is minus 0.286. So I am writing. So this is and this is the rotation factor of BC, and this is the rotation factor of BA, which is just now solved in the previous step. And again I am writing the rotation factor of CB here. So that is minus 0. So that is minus 0.286, and here also we have minus 0.214 as rotation factor for CD. So in the middle box or rectangle, what we have to write? So here we have to add these two fixed end moments of B, that is 10 plus 58.33. We have to add these two. That value must be written in this box, and that is nothing but minus 48.33. and in this box again we have to write the addition of 71.67 and minus 20, and the answer is 51.67. Yes, next we have to find the rotation contribution. For that, it is given as M dash BA, that is RF. RF is nothing but this one, minus 0.214, and summation of fixed moments at B, that means this value, plus summation of rotation contribution at far end. So for this, at this far end, as it is fixed beam, we don't have any rotation contribution. So let me rub this and write solve here. So for M bar BA, so according to that, minus 0.214 into minus 48.33 plus far end contribution is 0. So here the value will be 10.34. This is 10.34. So I am writing 10.34 here like this. 10.34. So in the same manner, for if you find for M bar BC with the same thing, that is minus 0.214 into minus 0.286. Here we have to write, instead of 214 we have to write minus 0.286, and calculate this. We will get, instead of 10.34 we will get the answer as 13.82. So I am writing here as 13.82. Yes. Yes, next the rotation contribution of at joint C. That means the rotation contribution of CB and CD we have to find. For CB, as just discussed in the formula, first we have to write this minus 0.286 into the summation of fixed moments is 51.67, plus here we have the far end contribution as 13.82. For this value, that is 0 because the far end is fixed, but here for this joint we have 13.82 as we are starting from B. So I will add 13.82 here, and the answer will be minus 18.73. The answer will be minus 18.73. that I am writing here 18.73. So all these must be in a same line, and in the same manner for m dash CD we have to do minus 0.214 instead of 286, and these two values will be same. The answer will be minus 14.01. So this is the first cycle. Yes. So this is the first cycle has been completed. So we have to go to the next cycle. So for that I am writing again rotation contribution of m bar BA. So what we have done in a similar way. So minus 0.214 into this minus 48.33, and now we have to take this minus 18.73 as the far end rotation contribution as minus 18.73. So if you solve this expression we get 14.35. So in the same manner if you solve for this side also we will get 19.18. So this is clear, and this is second cycle. So coming to C, so here instead of 0. So here we can write as 0.286 into 51.67 plus this 19.8 we have to write. So this is important, 19.18 we have to write. So while taking the far end contribution, this is most important in Canis method. So if you solve this we get minus 20.26, and for this minus 0.214 here, minus 0.214 into 51.67 plus the same 19.18, we get the answer as minus 15.16. So this is the second cycle. So similarly we have to do third cycle and also fourth cycle, and if necessary the next cycle, until the difference between these two values of all the cycles of these two values is very less, that is 0.001 or 0.01, then the final values will be taken. So this is the first cycle and this is second cycle, and similarly we have done the third cycle and also fourth cycle. So we have to see that the difference between 14.68 and 14.70 is very less when compared to 14.35 and 14.68. So similarly the difference between 19.62 and 63 is also very less, and 20.39 and 20.40. So this fourth cycle is taken as the final rotation contribution. So final moment calculation is done by using this table after step 1, 2, 3, and this is the last step. So the final moment end calculation is already explained in the previous videos, that is fixed end moment plus 2 times near end contribution plus 1 time far end contribution. So when you look at A, we have fixed end moment as 10 and near end contribution as slope is 0, so that value will be 0, and far end contribution is 14.7 for this, because at B, for BA the rotation contribution we have done in the previous steps was 14.7, and if we add all these terms we get 4.70. Similarly for B, the fixed end moment is 10 for BA, and this is 2 into 14.7, we have to do 2 as shown in the formula. 2 into 14.7 is that we have just got in the previous step, and for that we know that there is 0 far end contribution, and if we add these 3 we get 39.4. So similarly for here and here we have to do in the same manner as we have done for AB, we have to do for BC and also for CD. So these are the final movements, these are the final moment calculations. So we have to check that 39.4 and minus 39.4. So if we add these two, we will get the answer as 0, and we can tell that that is in equilibrium. Similarly here. So that's all regarding a problem number 2 in Canis method. Thank you for watching this video.